Now we are on the way to the warehouse where the owner of the bike has the frame ready for engine installation. So we are delivering the engine now to the owner of the DKW. We will help him to put the engine in the frame so he can proceed with the restoration. I think all the parts are ready. They have been powder coated, and there's a new gas tank. The fenders have been painted. I think it's yeah, hopefully it's really nice now, and I'm looking forward to see how the engine looks in the frame as well. So hopefully this will be a quite easy installation of the engine. Put it in, bolt it up, and then he can proceed with his project.